If you want users to search smarter and see exactly where properties are, the half map layout in WPRentals is the way to go. It gives visitors a side-by-side view of listings and an interactive map, making it easier to explore, compare, and book faster. You can enable this layout in 3 places: on the main search results page, or on any custom page you create. Just assign the properties list half map template, or category pages like city, property, type, area, feature, and amenity. Once enabled, the same features and layout options apply across all these views. In half map layouts, map pins load only the listings currently in view. As users move or zoom in the map, pins appear instantly. Visitors can also search using filters that you set and manage directly from the theme options. Clicking a listing automatically fills the booking form with their search criteria, making booking faster and easier. Geolocation search can also be enabled in half map to let users find properties within a radius from a specific point. The half map filter section is highly configurable. You choose which fields to appear, how many per row, and whether to use custom icons. And you can also add features and amenities, manage the price filter, and a few more items. You can also place the map on the left or on the right, ensuring your page layout fits your site design perfectly. With dynamic layouts, interactive maps, and smart sorting, WPRentals makes searching for properties fast, intuitive, and conversion ready.